We're going to look at stimulating beverages. These are beverages that have caffeine or caffeine-like materials in them. We often brew them. By brewing, we add water to them and allow the material to diffuse into the water, and then we consume them. Sometimes we add other products to them, other flavorings, other sweetness, or things like that. Stimulating beverages have a material in them that are called alkaloids. These are secondary defensive products produced by the plant where it is trying to keep predation down. Alkaloids are cyclic organic compounds that have basic, not acidic, but basic nitrogen in. This is caffeine, structure of caffeine. You'll see that you have two ring structures. You have nitrogen that is contained within the ring structure. These are considered to be basic nitrogen. Caffeine is basically a stimulant. You take in caffeine, it raises your blood rate, your heart rate, therefore it is considered to be a stimulant. These beverages includes things like coffee and tea. You're going to find that your metabolic rates can go way up. Another nitrogen-containing alkaloid is theobromine. Theobromine comes from the chocolate plant. You can compare the structure and you will see your difference comes down to caffeine has a methyl group on that upper nitrogen on the six-sided ring, where theobromine does not. Structurally, these appear to be very similar. It's just that caffeine is a little bit more potent than theobromine. It is these materials that give it its very nice reaction. We call them alkaloids because they give an alkaline reaction. If they have something like purified caffeine, and they are trying to figure out whether or not it is a toxic material or a narcotic, one of the first things they do is they take the pH of the material. Caffeine and theobromine are both going to give you an alkaline reaction. That's why they call these things alkaloids. The rest of this part is going to look at the specific plants. We've got a bunch of different plants that we're going to look at. A lot of them have materials such as caffeine in it. Some of them do have theobromine.